Managing web hosting with Plesk and encountered PCO configuration files. These contain server settings critical to your hosting environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Plesk configuration files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized PCO file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. A PCO file is a configuration file used by Plesk, a popular web hosting control panel. System administrators and web developers interact with these files primarily during server migrations or backups. It stores critical settings for domains, subdomains, email accounts, databases, and other hosting parameters managed within the Plesk environment. The file is typically structured as a plain text XML document. The developer chose XML for its human-readable and machine-parseable nature, allowing for a clear hierarchical representation of complex server settings. This design facilitates automated scripting, easy debugging, and reliable data transfer between different Plesk instances. The common standard viewer for PCO is typically Plesk from Plesk International GmbH. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows may show formatting clearly, but proper edits depend on understanding the setting relationships. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the PCO file and select Open With. Use Plesk if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If your PCO file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, opening in text editors. PCO files are typically text-based and open in any text editor like Notepad++ Visual Studio Code or Vim on Linux systems. Right-click the file and choose Open With to view the configuration content. Be cautious about modifying these files manually, as incorrect changes can break your Plesk hosting environment. Next, managing through Plesk. Access Plesk's web administration interface to view and modify server configuration through the proper management UI rather than editing PCO files directly. Plesk's interface provides validated configuration changes with safety checks, ensuring modifications don't break the hosting environment, unlike direct file editing. Finally, backup and migration. Use Plesk's backup features to safely manage configuration files. The Plesk Backup Manager creates complete configuration backups in standardized formats, easier to manage than individual PCO files. For migration between servers, Plesk's migration tools handle PCO files automatically preserving configurations across hosting environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.